Hey, you guys, it is Wednesday, St. Patty's Day, and I leave tomorrow for Mrs. America. And there are so many people that I need to thank that have helped me get where I am right now. So I made a list. I'm probably going to tear up a little bit because I have had just the most incredible support system going into Mrs. America, and I couldn't have done it without many of you. First of all, to my followers, to my YouTube subscribers, my Instagram, my Facebook people, you are amazing. This is why I do this. This is the message that I want to spread to the entire world, is that metabolic health cannot be bought. And health cannot be bought. And without your health, you can't live your life to the fullest. You can't experience these real human experiences. You can't make memories. You can't go on vacation. And so it's so important. In 2021, this message is so important. And I just want to thank you for helping me get on the big stage and to spread this message across the entire world. So how Mrs. America works: I'm representing the state of Nebraska. This is the largest pageant for married women. And thank you to Elaine and the late David Marmel. They are the owners of the Mrs. America, Mrs. World organization. And what an incredible opportunity for so many women to prove to the world that women can be smart and can be strong and can be beautiful. And we have such good things to share with the rest of the world. So thank you for providing this platform. First and foremost, thank you to my husband. I hope you all saw the post I did yesterday. He seriously is my rock, my support system. He makes the wheels turn here at the Fit and Fabulous house. He's the most amazing father to my 3 daughters, and I cannot wait for him to walk me out on stage at Mrs. America. And like I said, and I'll say it again, if I can make him Mr. America, dang it, I'm gonna do it, because he deserves every bit of what's going on right now, for sure. And to my 3 little girls, thank you so much for being my biggest cheerleaders. I hope that what I'm doing has inspired you to pursue whatever you want in life and whatever you want in the world. And I just want to have you ready for that. I just want to have you ready for that. So thank you. So my little girls, Brecklin, Sienna, and Kimber, they're going to be in the audience. They've got dresses. They picked out purses. They've got their earrings. They are so ready. I didn't think I was going to cry this early. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you to my parents. Thank you so much. My dad, I definitely get my competitive spirit from my dad. A little bit of stubbornness, but I know you love and support me so much, so thank you. And I know he watches my YouTube videos, so I love you, Dad. To my mom, the absolute textbook definition of loyalty, the most caring, loving person. I know that you're so proud of everything I've done, and I'm just so grateful to be your daughter. All right, moving on. To my brother, thank you. I know we've really lived on different paths in life, but I know you've always been there and been proud of everything. I don't know why I'm crying so much. I'll never forget the day that I was starting medical school. We had just moved to Omaha. Ben and I had gotten married, and my brother called me. I was just laying down to go to bed, and he said, "I just want you to know how proud I am of you." And it really meant the world to me. So thank you, Zach, and to his wife, Jen, and my beautiful niece and nephew. I know you won't be there. Zach and Jen will be there, but I know my niece and nephew won't be there, but I love you guys. And to Ben's brother and his wife, Rachel, about to have a baby. So exciting. I'm going to have another niece and nephew down in Texas. So super exciting. To my mother-in-law, thank you for being such a huge supporter to our family, and your husband, Steve, treating us just like we're his own. Thank you for giving me my husband. Thank you so much. And to his dad, Larry, and his partner, Ray, as well. Okay, let's see. To Nikki Wilson, who drugged me into this mess around the fire pit, like a year and a half ago. Never in my life did I think I was going to be running for Mrs. Nebraska and now Mrs. America. So thank you, Nikki, for always just being a great friend and a stylist and a cheerleader. Thank you. And to her husband, Joe, for working out with me every morning at Explosive Edge. A huge shout out to Explosive Edge and the trainers at Explosive Edge for getting me physically ready. Robert Sykes, Live Savage, for dialing in my nutrition. It has seriously taken a team of people to get me physically, mentally, spiritually ready for this. So thank you guys so much. To Bob Grandpre for being the ultimate photographer and hype person. Seriously, Bob, I appreciate your love and support, and you and Becky, we're not your kids, and seriously, we feel like family. So thank you guys so much. To Matt Bills and Kim Bills. Matt is my YouTube guy. He's a photographer, videographer, media expert. He's just a freaking beast when it comes to business. His entrepreneurial spirit is like off the charts. Matt, thank you. You seriously are the grease in these wheels, and I appreciate you so much. Seriously, you bring a lot of value to me, to my life, and to my brand. So thank you. Let's see. To my sponsors, there was a lot of people that helped me get to Mrs. Nebraska Mod Dermatology. I just went and got a facial yesterday with Katie, the most wonderful esthetician, and Dr. Orlib, who works at Mod. A fantastic place, so go check them out. I've been doing RF microneedling, PRP microneedling over at Mod. But nutrition, gosh, your skin, seriously, from the inside out, nutrition is the number one thing that can make your skin look really good. And then, let's see, Mid-City OBGYN, where I work as an obstetrician and gynecologist. They did the most amazing send-off party yesterday with treats, keto treats from the Omaha Bakery. And seriously, I feel like I have you guys in my back pocket. Thank you so much for helping take care of my patients while I go do this. You guys are absolutely amazing. And if you want to be taken care of by some amazing providers, come check us out at Mid-City OBGYN. We have 2 locations in Omaha. So big shout out to my Mid-City family. Let's see, Ink Images provided some Dr. Fit and Fabulous swag, t-shirts, hoodies that the crew is going to be sporting in Vegas. Susan, the owner of Ink Images, a woman owned and run local business, absolutely love supporting local. So Susan, thank you for the amazing shirts that we're going to be wearing down in Las Vegas. To Redmond Real Salt, seriously, one of the most amazing companies I've ever worked with. Their products are fantastic. Their people are even more fabulous. So to the entire Redmond team, Julie, Charlie, to Jason, Chef Sean, Jenny, all of you, you are just absolutely incredible. It's the best salt on earth. It's the only salt that actually comes from the earth and contains 60 different trace minerals. I use Redmond Real Salt daily. I use their electrolyte mix daily. They're incredible. The Dr. Fit and Fabulous bundle just dropped today, so go check that out. Thank you guys. Thank you so much to Redmond Real Salt. Ancestral Supplements, I could not be more excited to be representing the meat and organ eating people of this world. Brian at Ancestral Supplements, another just absolutely amazing human. I take these supplements. This is their beef liver. They come from grass-fed cows in New Zealand. And this is a great way, if you don't like eating organs, to get those powerhouse nutrients from nature. So thank you. And in that same vein, Certified Piedmontese, a local company here to Nebraska, the most amazing beef and steaks and ground beef and chicken. And oh my God, their products are just, my mom and I were raving about it the other night on the phone. Even their grass-fed steaks just taste absolutely incredible. So go check out Certified Piedmontese. They also have a Dr. Fit and Fabulous box, which is at a discount. So go check that out. To Keto Coach, Fast Coach, the Fast Coach app, another official sponsor of Mrs. Nebraska. On my road to Mrs. America, you can track your ketones, your glucose. You can do challenges with us. I have recorded challenges for them, so you can go do my challenges. To Marigold Bars, thank you for hooking me up with some clean protein nutrition during this prep. And as I head down to Las Vegas, that's going to be such an easy snack for me to take. So thank you for getting me some bars down in Las Vegas. Sleep and Glow sent a pillow. I have a very special pillow that I sleep with every night, but I'm taking 4 suitcases. So they sent me a very special pillow that I can use in the hotel. So thank you to Sleep and Glow. Let's see, to my amazing dress designer, Gasper Cruz, King of Texas, makeup artist extraordinaire. My dress is absolutely beautiful. He also did my costume, which I won't tell you what it is. I don't want to break the surprises, but each state has a state costume. So something that represents our state. So maybe you guys can guess below what you think it is, And it's gorgeous as well. To my coach, Coco, Courtney, seriously, my right-hand girl through this whole process. She's flying out with me tomorrow. I couldn't do it without you. She has been the expert. I've joked this entire time, I'm just a vagina doctor. And when Courtney and I first met, she said, girl, you tell me how to eat, I'm gonna tell you how to win a pageant. So God bless you. Thank you so much. And to your family for all the time that you spend doing this and doing this with me and so many other people. To The Rock, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, how can I not thank him? My experience on Titan Games was absolutely incredible this year, and it really empowered me to help inspire other women and girls like my daughters that it's okay to have muscle. It's okay for girls to be strong. We need to really break outside this box of what femininity, say that 20 times, really is. Like I said, what I really want to prove to the entire world up on the Mrs. America stage is that you can be smart and strong and all of these things. You don't have to choose one, and it really starts on the inside. Okay. All right. We're powering on. Just a few other people. To my Nebraska directors, Sarah and Adair, and my other Nebraska queens, Jaquel and Liana, as they travel to Las Vegas with me. Thank you guys for representing our state so well, and Sarah and Adair for helping me get ready and giving me so much advice. You guys have been there before, and you've done this, and so seriously, you're such a wealth of information and the greatest cheerleaders. Seriously, I feel like all the former Mrs. Nebraska queens are in my corner behind my back. They threw us an amazing send-off party, and I could not be more proud to be your sister. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys are liking these updates. We are going to try to shoot them out to you, hopefully on a daily basis, and you'll be able to see this experience in Las Vegas. So I fly out tomorrow. I'll fly down there. We'll get checked in. We're going to get the dresses hung, get things steamed and ready. We have check-in and orientation. We have dinners, and then we have rehearsal for multiple days to learn the choreography and where we walk on stage and those types of logistics. And then we have interview, and then the pageant will be on March 27th. Prelims are 2 to 3:30. This is Las Vegas time, so 2 to 3:30 in Las Vegas is prelims, and then finals are 7:30 to 9:30. So obviously make those adjustments for your own time zone. It will be live streamed, a paid live stream, but I don't have that information yet. As soon as I do, I'm going to blast it on social media. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you get all the updates here on YouTube. Follow on the Instagram at Dr. Fit and Fabulous, as well as the Facebook page. I'm going to be updating as I can, but dang, we have a busy schedule. So I can't wait to land tomorrow and meet my roommate, Katrina Cappan, Mrs. West Virginia. So a huge shout out to Katrina. We both have Yorkshire Terriers, and I think we're going to get along just fine. She's amazing. I cannot wait to meet these other women. Seriously, an incredible group of women. So thank you guys, and stay tuned.